Over 3 decades ago, Kawasaki introduced its KLR650 Dual Sport. The KLR garnered a huge following because it was a comfortable, low-priced machine that could do just about anything and was easy to maintain on the trail if things went south. The 652 cubic centimeter single-cylinder engine residing within the 2023 KLR650 brings with it one of the bigger changes from last year: fuel injection. Other more specific engine changes tag along for the ride, including the recently revised camshaft profiles, smaller diameter exhaust pipe, thrust needle bearings in the clutch, and many more. Since changes are cosmetic for this year, we can expect engine performance to remain the same. The liquid-cooled thumper, although not a fire breather, has a linear power curve that peaks at 34.6 horsepower at 5,900 RPM, and its torque tops out at 33.5 pounds-foot at 4,700 RPM, as seen on our in-house dyno. Chassis changes like the revised rear frame, swing arm, suspension settings, new brake discs, and updated bodywork from 2022 also carry over. The high-tensile steel frame works with an integrated subframe and continues to serve as the bones of the machine. A non-adjustable 41mm conventional fork and unitrack shock work to keep the ride steady over bumps and potholes. The shock is adjustable for spring preload and rebound damping. A 300mm front disc and 240mm rear disc continue as the bike's brake combo of choice. ABS is optional on the base model as well as the adventure trim. The Traveler comes standard with the system.